Creating an AWS project involves setting up cloud infrastructure to meet specific business or technical needs. Here's a step-by-step guide to developing an AWS project. Define project requirements. Understand goals. Identify the purpose of your AWS project. Identify resources. Determine the necessary AWS services required, such as EC2 instances, S3 storage, RDS databases, or Lambda functions. Set up AWS account. Ensure you have access to an AWS account with necessary permissions, including IAM roles and security configurations. Design cloud infrastructure. Use services like EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for scalable object storage, RDS for managed relational databases, VPC to create isolated networks, CloudFormation for defining infrastructure as code, develop and deploy application. Use services such as AWS Elastic Beanstalk or AWS Lambda for deploying web applications, APIs, or microservices. Alternatively, containerize applications with ECS or EKS for orchestrated deployments. Monitor and optimize. Set up CloudWatch for monitoring metrics and logs. Implement auto-scaling to handle increased demand, and configure Cost Explorer for cost management. Implement security best practices. Use IAM roles for access control. Encrypt data using KMS and ensure compliance through CloudTrail and AWS Config. Collaborate and deploy. For team collaboration, integrate version control.